There is a thought to interpret innovation. So we look at the world and keep pace with the times. There is an attitude towards perfection. So we focus on details and condense quality. A kind of service that is heart-to-heart communication. So we listen to the needs. Converge, chasing the dream, BOSM's dream. Set sail to ignite the development road of intelligent equipment manufacturing with the passion of innovation. Jinan Jiangli Machinery Company Limited, positioning the research, development, and manufacturing of high-end CNC drilling and milling machine. Committed to becoming a global excellent intelligent machinery manufacturer from China. Become a leading brand of CNC high-speed drilling and milling machine in China. Our company uses PDM management system, vibration analysis, etc. A series of scientific management methods ensure scientific and reliable R&D and continuously improve product performance. Our company introduced the world's top processing mother machine, precision machining for key parts of CNC drilling and milling machine, while effectively ensuring the accuracy of parts, significantly improve machine stability. Do one thing well with heart. Focus on R&D and manufacturing of high-speed CNC drilling and milling machine. Achieve a win-win situation for customers, enterprise, and employees. BOSM relies on the company's 3 major R&D, sales, and production centers. For the special needs of customers in different fields and industries, provides the best drilling solution. Make drilling more easier, more accurate, and more efficient. Enterprise passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 3-system certification. Implement quality tracking throughout the product life cycle. Establish a full set of zero-defect management process from R&D to production. Introduce a large number of advanced inspection and testing equipment. Adopt strict quality management standards. Precisely control every step of machine manufacturing. Product categories continue to enrich, mainly including BOSM brand. Gantry moving high-speed CNC drilling and milling machine. Fixed beam high-speed CNC drilling and milling machine, CNC drilling machine for tube, 4-station flange CNC drilling machine, profile machining center, 5 series, more than 40 models of CNC drilling and milling machine products, reliable product performance, high speed and cost saving, and successfully provided the best drilling solution for the core components of the global wind power industry. Machines are widely used in flange processing, engineering machinery, metallurgy and chemical industry, environmental protection equipment, valve processing, mechanical processing, and other industries. Some machines are exported to Southeast Asia, Middle East, Europe, South America, and other countries and regions. Advanced and effective after-sales service system. Experienced technical maintenance engineers. Is BOSM flying wings. BOSM always attaches importance to the training of service personnel through systematic training to implement certification, continuously improve the effectiveness of our services. The company regularly organizes various activities to continuously improve employee benefits, continuously improve the working environment, and actively repay the society. Create a rich spiritual home for employees. Let every BOSM people feel happiness and well-being of growing together with the company. Let all sectors of society feel the care and warmth from BOSM to create an outstanding leader in the field of high-speed CNC drilling and milling machine. Jinan Zhangli BOSM CNC, to create a better future with you.